Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everyone. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy. Today is Monday, November 15th, 4:05 p.m. Eastern Time with your market, micros market recap. Getting into oil, we opened the gap down just ever so slightly. We had two entries right off the bat within the first 30 minutes or so of market opening for our HVA levels that we give out, and then about 3 or 4 more off of those levels. Ultimately, we went back into balance from Friday towards the point of control. Gold, not tons of movement. Remember, it is Friday, or not Friday, but Monday, and we're having holiday volume starting to kick in. So we opened inside the balance. We had one reversal, 2, 3, 4 opportunities in this small window here. It pretty much did not want to leave Friday's range, and it pretty much closed where it opened, or closed where it closed on Friday. Equities, they both, Nasdaq and the ES, both opened gap up. ES here, you can see, opened gap up from Friday's range. That's right there, giving several opportunities along the way at our HVA levels, but ultimately ending up pretty much where it closed on Friday again. Not a ton of action in that difference, but nonetheless, there were several opportunities in the ES, and you can see so as well in the Nasdaq. A little bit more in the Nasdaq here for us. 2 right off the bat, right there. Again, opening gap up from Friday's range, melting down towards the point of control, and then ultimately settling around where it closed on Fridays. So quickly, let's just get into a couple trades that we're taking today amongst the many. Here's Roman live, real money up 310 in the micro ES. That was with 14 contracts, so that's almost a contract and a half if you were to do it in the minis. So I would say he's pretty close to transitioning into the minis from the micros. That's a stellar win, especially for a Monday with little range going on. And then Darlene with 2 entries. First one, she brought to break even, really. She should have had a profit off. Nonetheless, she didn't let it become a loser in any way, even though our methodologies may have stated one way to do things. We cannot control students. Everyone has to take their own actions for themselves. We don't tell anyone what to take, where to take it, or how to necessarily, when. We don't trade for you, right? We're not a signal caller. We're not calling them out in the room. We're an education company. We teach you how to trade our methodologies, and it is up to you ultimately to take the trades that you qualified. She took 2, 1, 2, up 32.50, live real money. Those are just 2 of the entries that I wanted to show today. As you can see, several entries were taken today alone. Probably a good 30 on their own from today. Winners. I don't think I saw any losers come by. That could be incorrect in that statement. But very few if there were. Again, we are Target Trading Academy. If you're interested in finding out what we do, how we do it, and why we have so many live students in our rooms, come check us out. You can find our page on Facebook. Again, we're Target Trading Academy, or go to targettradingacademy.com and get in touch with a representative on either site, where we will gladly show you why we are the best trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you in the rooms.